Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn your normal photo into a super cool cyber painting styles using an app called DreamFace. It's quick, it's easy, and honestly it looks amazing. So let's get started. First thing first, just open your DreamFace, and if you don't have it yet, just open the Google Play Store and then search for DreamFace and then just download it and install it. And once it's installed, just log in using your Google account. It's super simple, and don't worry, DreamFace actually will give you a free weekly credits pack so you can try out the filters without spending a cent. Next, now that you are logged in, you will land on the home page like this, and then just tap on AI filter. You will find tons of creative filters to play around with, but today we're going to strike for Cyber Impression filter. This one, just tap on it. This filter is designed to give your photo that futuristic scientific painting vibes. It's like stepping into a cyberpunk universe. And once you have tapped it, TeamFace will ask you to choose or upload photo from your gallery. Just choose your photo. After you selected your photo, just hit on animate this one. And okay, like this, your picture is transformed into an epic cyber style digital painting like this. And then if you wanna save it, just tap on the download button and then you can share it to your social media. And okay, that's it. Super quick, super easy. You have just learned how to turn any photo into a cyber painting style using DreamFace. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.